Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shass's Therapy TV. If you've ever had a massage that left you feeling incredibly relaxed, refreshed, or energized, there's a good chance that essential oils played a part. In today's video, we're going to explore what aromatherapy is, how essential oils work, and some of the most popular oils used during massage therapy. Whether you're a massage therapist, beauty student, or simply enjoy holistic wellness, this video will help you understand why aromatherapy has been used for thousands of years. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy is a holistic therapy that uses natural plant extracts, known as essential oils, to promote physical and emotional well-being. Essential oils are highly concentrated liquids extracted from flowers, leaves, bark, roots, seeds, and fruits. Because they are so concentrated, they should always be diluted with a carrier oil before being applied to the skin during massage. Common carrier oils include sweet almond oil, grapeseed, jojoba, coconut, and apricot kernel oil. These oils help the essential oils spread safely over the skin while also providing their own moisturizing benefits. How does aromatherapy work? When essential oils are used during massage, they work in two main ways. Firstly, they are inhaled through the nose. The scent travels to the limbic system of the brain, which is responsible for emotions, memory, and mood. This is why certain aromas can instantly make you feel calm, uplifted, or refreshed. Secondly, small amounts of the diluted essential oil are absorbed through the skin during massage. Combined with the therapeutic effects of massage itself, this creates a deeply relaxing and holistic treatment. Now let's look at some of the most popular essential oils and their benefits. Lavender is one of the best-known essential oils and is often considered the ultimate relaxation oil. It may help reduce stress and anxiety, encourage restful sleep, soothe tense muscles, and promote a feeling of calm. Peppermint has a fresh, cooling aroma that many people find invigorating. It may help reduce muscle soreness, ease tension headaches, improve mental alertness, and create a refreshing sensation during massage. However, peppermint should be used with care as it can feel quite strong on sensitive skin. Eucalyptus is commonly associated with respiratory health. Its fresh aroma may help you feel like your airways are clearer, making it a popular choice during cold seasons. It is also used to help soothe tired muscles after exercise. Sweet orange essential oil has a bright, uplifting citrus scent. It may help improve mood, reduce feelings of stress, encourage relaxation, and leave clients feeling refreshed and positive after a treatment. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties. It may help soothe sensitive skin, encourage relaxation, reduce stress, and support restful sleep, making it ideal for clients who need a gentle, comforting treatment. Rosemary essential oil has an energizing herbal scent. It is often used to improve concentration, reduce mental fatigue, and help relieve muscular aches and stiffness. It can be particularly beneficial in sports massage when used appropriately. Tea tree oil is recognized for its cleansing and purifying properties. Although it isn't commonly chosen simply for relaxation massage due to its medicinal scent, it may be useful in skincare treatments because of its natural cleansing qualities. Ylang Ylang has a sweet floral fragrance that is often associated with emotional balance and relaxation. Many therapists use it to help reduce feelings of anxiety and encourage a peaceful state of mind during treatments. Choosing the right essential oil is important as no single essential oil is perfect for everyone. A therapist should always complete a consultation before treatment to identify allergies, medical conditions, pregnancy, medications, or skin sensitivities. Some essential oils are not suitable during pregnancy, for people with certain medical conditions, or for individuals with very sensitive skin. Following professional guidelines and safe dilution rates is always essential. Let's look at the benefits of aromatherapy massage. When massage is combined with carefully selected essential oils, clients may experience many benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved relaxation, relief from muscular tension, better quality sleep, improved mood, enhanced sense of well-being, a more personalized treatment experience. While aromatherapy can support relaxation and well-being, it should not be considered a replacement for medical treatment or professional healthcare advice. Aromatherapy massage is much more than simply using pleasant-smelling oils. It combines the healing power of touch with carefully selected plant extracts to create a treatment that supports both the body and mind. Whether you're studying beauty therapy, training as a massage therapist, or simply looking to learn more about holistic therapies, understanding essential oils is a valuable part of your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Shass Therapy TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Let me know in the comments which essential oil is your favorite and why.